Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. First of all, we need to open Task Manager. So go to search bar and type in Task Manager. Simply click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to find out Discord. So just wait for seconds and then just select Discord, right click on it and select End Task. So once done, close this window. Then we need to go to search bar and simply type in Discord. Then once we got the result, right click on it and simply click on open the file location. So after that, we need to right click on it and select properties. Then on this Discord properties window, select compatibility. Then we need to check this box, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, or you can select whatever. So simply after that, check this box, disable full screen optimization. So it's done. We need to click on apply and then OK. Now close this. After that, press Windows key plus R together. Now here type in temp and simply hit enter. Now we need to simply select all these files, right click on it and select delete. Once done, close this window. Again press Windows key plus R together to open run. Then type in percent temp percent and hit enter. Again we need to select all these files, right click here, select show more options and click on delete. So check this box and click on skip. Once done, close this window. Then simply go to search bar, type run. You can open run with this way also. Select run. Then type in percent app data percent and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to select Discord folder, right click on it, select show more options and click on delete. Once done, close this window. Again open run. You can simply press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here percent local app data percent and simply hit enter. Again search for Discord folder and simply select it, right click on it, show more options and click on delete. So now that's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go. Try to open Discord now.